like it brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pee, rich get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy.
Literally, after you brush, you guys, literally seamless. Seamless. You're gonna look at me and tell me that this is not my hair? You guys, what? Find my hair. Hey for lifers, welcome back to Life as Lee. I'm Alicia, and today y'all we're doing another hair review. I'm so excited. This is my first sponsored video. Today I'm going to be installing some clip-ins for you guys and showing you some different styles I do with my clip-ins. I'm just showing you like how easy they are to maintain, and I'm going to show you how well they blend with type 4 hair. So the company that sent me this hair is actually called BetterLength Hair. They sent me one pack of their light Yaki straight hair in 20 inches in the color 1B. Of course, it's gonna be linked down below. If you guys want money off to purchase this hair, make sure you guys use my code Lee1202. I'm gonna put it down in the description box as well as on the screen, so stay tuned for that and make sure y'all go purchase you some clip-ins. So BetterLength Hair is a company that specializes in textured like hair extensions. Like I said, they blend amazing with type 4 hair. So I'm gonna do a little mini unboxing before we jump into the video, just to show you guys like what the clip-ins look like and stuff. Before we get into the video, of course you guys make sure you follow me on all social media, stay connected. Make sure you guys shop with both me and my sister's boutiques, which are both linked down below. And of course hit that subscribe button to become a for lifer. Okay, let's jump right into this unboxing of these clip-ins, y'all. Let's see what we have in here. So it comes in this black bag that says BetterLength Hair. So cute. Ooh, 20 inches. Kind of long, yo. So here is the hair in this bag. It just says BetterLength Hair. And then it tells you the inches and the color on the sticker. Here is the hair. I really hope you guys can see this. You guys, it's full all the way to the bottom. I love this. I'm actually about to do a silk press on my hair, so I'm gonna install these. Oh my gosh, you guys, the hair is soft, but like this feels like my hair. Like actually, like I'm not lying, this literally feels like my hair. Like it's thick. I love this. I'm excited, y'all. This is what the weft looks like with the clip-in. Look at that. You just pop it open, slide it in your hair, pop it back in. So easy, so quick, and I'm really impressed with like how the hair feels, you guys. I'm excited. Okay, I'll be back when I have them installed. Yeah, these are so easy to install. I'm just gonna show you really quickly. So just take your hair, part it however you want it. I'm literally parting with my finger. I feel like the messier, the better the clip-ins look, in my opinion. I don't know. So then you take your clip-ins, you pop them open like that, slide it in, press down. There you go, it's in. Slide it in, and there you go, it's clipped in. And that is all there is to it, y'all. You guys, That's it. That's literally it. Brush it. Like what? That's it. That is it. That is it. That is all. After you brush, literally, after you brush, you guys, literally seamless. Seamless. You guys, these clip-ins eat down. These clip-ins eat down. Like they're eating the girls up. What? You are not about to tell me, you guys, you're gonna tell me, you're gonna look at me and tell me that this is not my hair? You guys, what? Find my hair. Where is it? Oh my gosh. I think I really might be a clip-in girly. What? I'm gonna wear these clip-ins to basically take a break from wigs and, you know, restore my edges and stuff, and, you know, just give my hair some time to breathe. And you guys, what? No. No, this is tea. This hair is tea, you guys. Look at the ends. I didn't cut them even because I want them to look, you know, straggly, so it looks more natural. And it's giving, this is from my hair. This is from, this is from my scalp, you guys. What? You guys need to click that link down below. I'm gonna show you guys a few styles that I like to wear, like with my clip-ins. These clip-ins are bomb, and I'm really surprised with the length. This is a 20-inch and it's a lot longer than I actually like thought it was gonna be. I'm 5'8", and this is where like the hair falls on me. You guys, y'all need to get these clip-in extensions. Like, they did their big one for type 4 hair. Like, what? So I'm gonna quickly go through the styles because my hair is frizzing up because it's not heat trained anymore. So let's get right into the styles.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. They done Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Put around my neck, it costs an arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest colorado. Just like to run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying it. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is spitting fish. When I spin that bed, play that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem. Imaginary smoke. Set it up. Then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your man know if you don't, what's happening? Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all like to talk, put that shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know. and acting brand new. He's acting like they running they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pee, rich, get you both. They the Bentley to valet and let that dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Riz, she thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but this not a joke. Say she got a problem.
Alright y'all, that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys love these clip-ins as much as I do. You guys, I'm still waiting for y'all to tell me where my hair is, because this is my hair. Like, what? You guys, these are tea. I'm not over it. I will never get over it. If you guys want this same look, make sure you guys click that link down below. Use my discount code LEE1202 for money off, and you get this bomb hair. Like, that's a steal. You guys have to purchase this hair. Like, I don't care. Like, this is, yeah. Of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to become a for lifer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.